Welcome to the training video for completing electronic work tickets using the Adobe Fill and Sign app on Android devices. The first thing you want to do is open up your email and scroll to the PDF attachment. You will then click on the attachment to open the options. Once your options are open, you will want to open it in the Adobe Fill and Sign app. In order to do this, you will click on Adobe Fill and Sign app. Now you will get the option to choose whether to always open PDFs in this app or just once. I would recommend doing just once, so you will always have an option to choose which app to use when opening PDFs. You will then click on the option that you want to choose. Now that the PDF is open in the app, you will need to zoom in to the signature portion. You can add type anywhere on the document. In this example, we will want to type the name of the person signing, so you click here and a cursor will show up so you can type. Once you type the name, you can resize the type by using the small a and the big A. In this case, we need the type smaller, so we click on the smaller A until it is the right size. Now you can also add a signature by first clicking where you want to add the signature. This will again make the cursor appear. Now you will select this symbol to add a signature. In this menu, you will select Create Signature. Now you will draw the signature using your finger. If you like the signature, then you move on by clicking Done. If you don't and want to redo it, you can click on where it says Clear. After you clicked Done, you will need to click this symbol again. Now you see the signature here. To add it, you will click on it. However, be careful not to click on the symbol next to it. Now it will apply the signature where you had the cursor. You will then want to resize the signature using this blue arrow in order to have it fit on the signature line. Now you will click where you want to add the date. As before, the cursor appears and then you can type the date. You will then want to repeat this on the other side to capture your signature for the service provider contact or showcase. The only thing that will be different this time is when you go to add the signature. You will need to clear out the signature first. Let's take a closer look. When you click this symbol, the previous signature will appear. So you will need to clear it by clicking on the symbol to the right of the signature. Now that the previous signature is cleared out, you will need to add the new signature by clicking on this symbol again. You will click on Create Signature again. Once you add the signature, you will click Done again. Again, you will need to resize the signature using the blue arrows so it will fit on the signature line. Now that you have completed the first page, you will also use this app to complete the punch list form. First, you will want to scroll to the next page. Using the same steps as before, you will fill out the punch list form and then capture signatures. Now that you have finished filling out the form, you will want to email it to the office by first clicking on the icon on the top of the screen. You will want to scroll through the options until you see your email app. You will either be using the Gmail app or the Outlook app, depending on which app you have your showcase email in. You will click on the app to send the completed PDF in the email. Once in the email, you will be able to type the email address you want to send it to, and then click the Send button in the top right of the screen. This concludes the training for completing electronic work tickets using the Adobe Fill and Sign app on Android devices. In this example, we completed the information needed for an InstallNet job. but you can also use this on any PDF, whether that be a showcase work ticket or any other dealer paperwork. You can also use this to fill out other forms as well.